Today is Friday, and now is pray time. The worker is go to pray, so his machine stop. When they back, they will start to running machine. This is a cola machine. Two system, 120 centimeter with voltage stabilizer 5 kilowatts. And this two system cola machine. This customer running a factory 3 years. Start 3 machine, now have 21. Today come to customer factory, make service. And also talk about the new order. New order will be 1 container. I think 2 months. This is the first time they bought machine to system. This is 3 system machine. This 1 plus 1 18-inch tandem. This also 1 plus 1 2 carriage. Today we make a service for this machine because the selection jack problem. So now finish. I think after 2 or 3 years, here will be all machine.